In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a post-purchase flow in Klaviyo. Whether you're managing an online store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, setting up a post-purchase flow is crucial for keeping your customers engaged and satisfied after they've made a purchase. This step-by-step tutorial will help you create an automated email sequence that thanks your customers and provides them with essential customer care information. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation sidebar. Find and click on the tab labeled Flows. This is where all the magic happens in Klaviyo, as it's the hub for creating and managing your automated email sequences. After clicking on the Flows tab, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a bright blue button that says Create Flow. Go ahead and click on that. This button kicks off the process of creating a new flow from scratch or using a pre-designed template. Now, you'll see a search bar labeled Template Search. In this bar, type the words post-purchase. This search will help you locate the specific templates designed for post-purchase communications. These templates are excellent starting points as they have been tailored to address the specific needs of post-purchase interactions. Once you type in post-purchase, various template options will appear. You'll need to select the template variant that matches your storefront integration. For example, if you're using Shopify, you'll want to choose the template that aligns with Shopify. Similarly, if you're on WooCommerce or BigCommerce, select the corresponding template. Look specifically for layouts labeled Post-Purchase, Thank You, and Customer Care. These templates are designed to help you express gratitude to your customers and provide them with essential follow-up information. After selecting the appropriate template, it's time to personalize your flow. Give your automation a distinct and memorable name. This could be something like Post-Purchase Journey Core or any name that resonates with your brand's voice and strategy. Naming your flow helps to keep your Klaviyo dashboard organized, especially as you create more flows in the future. Once you're satisfied with your flow name, click on Create Flow. This action will finalize the setup of your post-purchase flow, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can customize and tweak your flow according to your business needs. Here, you can adjust the emails included in the flow, the timing of each email, and any specific content that should be included to ensure your customers receive the best possible experience after their purchase. Remember, setting up an effective post-purchase flow is not just about saying thank you. It's an opportunity to reinforce your brand's value, provide additional resources, and even encourage future purchases. By following these steps, you'll create a seamless post-purchase journey that enhances customer satisfaction and builds long-term loyalty. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering post-purchase flows in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your post-purchase flow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your e-commerce strategies.